Hi everyone, this is Mehul with an Onshape Tech Tip. Thanks for joining. Let's take a look at this week's Onshape Tech Tip.
Previously, editing metadata for standard content in Onshape was limited to the part number and description fields. However, with a recent update, you can edit all the metadata associated with your standard content. While inserting standard content, you will notice a new icon that allows you to edit properties. Clicking on this icon brings up the Properties dialog, similar to the one used throughout Onshape. For Onshape, professional and enterprise users with administrative privileges, an additional feature allows the definition of numbering schemes beyond released objects. You will find a new option for numbering schemes by accessing the company settings. Here, you can specify your preferred numbering scheme for released objects, standard content, and items. By selecting the sequential number generation and configuring your numbering scheme, you can set up automatic part number generation for standard content, similar to what is done for released objects.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more video tech tips.